You can sell your designs on Canva. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up Canva. So after you open Canva, make sure that you're logged into it. So this is Canva right here. Now what you'll want to do is log into it if you have not. And after doing that, what you'll need to do is open up your other tab and search for Canva creators. Search for Canva creators and hit enter. Now here you will see a new link for Canva creators. Just open up Canva creator and tap on become a creator. After you do that, you'll be redirected to another page. Now right here, you will need to make sure that you choose what type of content you'll be creating. Now let's say I want to create templates. So I'm just going to tap on templates and tap on apply. Now what we'll need to do is fill up the forms. So just share your URL to your design works and fill up the form. So after you hit enter, now this is what happens. Now as you can see right here, you have applied to become a Canva creator and they will get back to you after they have reviewed your application. And after they have approved your application, you will become a Canva creator and you can upload your projects, you can upload your designs to Canva and people will buy the templates and your designs. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.